Hey guys, trying to hide those impulse buys at 3 a.m., huh? Don't worry, we've all been there. Whether it's a questionable gadget or another, I swear, this one's productive purchase. Here's the truth. You can't fully delete your Amazon order history. Amazon keeps that data for tracking, refunds, and fraud prevention. But you can hide it so it's practically invincible to anyone snooping around. Let's go full stealth mode. Option 1, hide orders using the archive feature. This is the official Amazon approved way to make an order vanish from your main order list. So go ahead and open up your Amazon, right? And hit your account at the top, right? Or your avatar icon, not the avatar, yeah, the avatar icon at the top. You're gonna hit your orders, just hit see all, right? And you're gonna see right here your orders. I don't have that many orders, so basically you can see right here, this is my history. So find the order you want to make disappear and click on that order, right? Let me go back, right? Click on your order and hit archive or archive order. You might need to hit view order details link first, right, in order to do that. Or you can remove this item right away. And then confirm. Now that order is gone from your default order history. Okay. So you can repeat this for up to 500 orders, each one tucked away in the archive, right? So to view your archived orders, you're gonna just go ahead and hit your account at the top, right? Accounts and lists, and then hit your account or your own right here. Yeah, accounts and lists, right? And you're gonna see all of your lists right here or saved item, right? And also the archived item will be there. Okay, so option 2, you can hide it from recommendations. Even after archiving, Amazon might still flaunt your guilty pleasures inspired by your browsing history. Go to the browsing history at the top, right? If you search for anything, find the item and click remove from view or turn off browsing history altogether, right? This helps clean up your recommendations and your dignity at once, right? So if you basically want to, you could create a second Amazon account for private purchases. Use incognito mode when browsing. That keeps your recommendations clean. If you share your Amazon with family, enable household profiles so your history isn't mixed. Reality check. Amazon's backend keeps everything for auditing and compliance, so true deletion is impossible for regular users. Archiving and clean browsing history is the only realistic stealth combo. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.